In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can do an Instagram story poll in 2021. Okay, so once you launch up Instagram, you'll most likely be on your home page, and then you can go to your stories feature by either tapping on your profile icon at the top next to where all the other stories are, or you can just simply swipe to the right on the home page. So to do a poll on Instagram stories, you first need to upload something to the story. So I'm just going to take a quick photo. And now you can see the various options you have at the top, and you want to tap on the one that's next to the download button on the right of the download button. Tap on that, and then you can see underneath the GIF option is poll. Tap on poll, and now you can ask your audience a question, and you can see they can respond with yes and they can respond with no, but you can customize the text too. So I'm just going to say, what am I doing now? And then I'm going to tap on where it says yes, and I can change this to recording. And that doesn't look right, so I'll just make record, and then I'll tap on the second option where it says no, and I can change it to gaming, so you can fully customize the options that they have available. And then you can tap on done, and this is your poll on your story, and you can go ahead and move it around. You can add other things to your story if you would like. I'm just going to leave it like this, and then you would go ahead and post that to your story. Then it will be live for all your followers to see, and then they can answer the question, what am I doing now, or whatever question that you put in your poll. And then you'll be able to see all the answers, and then you can go ahead and interact with the people that left answers on your poll. So that is how you do an Instagram story poll in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.